Here's how to find a YouTube channel's email address for business or collaboration inquiries. Open YouTube and search for the channel you want to contact. Click on their channel name to go to their homepage. Below their channel name and subscriber count, click More. This expands their full About section. Scroll down and look for a View Email Address button or a direct email listed under the Contact section. Click View Email Address. YouTube may ask you to complete a quick human verification, and the email will appear. Copy it and use it for your outreach. Keep in mind, this email only appears if the channel has chosen to add one in their settings. Larger channels and creators open to brand deals or collaborations almost always add it. Smaller or personal channels often do not. If there is no email listed, the only alternative is to leave a comment on one of their videos or try reaching them through their linked social media profiles. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.